Hi. In this video, I will show you how to connect Bitform to Drip using Bitflows. Bitflows is an advanced automation plugin for WordPress. It helps you create complex workflows and integrate various apps seamlessly. I have already installed the Bitflows plugin on our site. In this tutorial, I will explain how to create or update a contact in Drip using Bitform. I will use Bitform as a trigger node to send a message and interact with Drip. Step 1. Create a new flow. First, navigate to the Flows page. If you have not created any flow yet, click on the Create Flow button. Enter a name for your flow, and then click on the Create button. Once you have successfully created a new flow, it will be displayed like this. Step 2. Add Bitform as a trigger. Next, let's add Bitform as a trigger in our workflow. To do this, click on the plus icon. A pop-up will appear. From there, search and select Bitform, Submit Success as the trigger. Now, choose the form you'd like to use from the drop-down menu. After that, click the Listen Response button. Now I will submit a test response from Bitform. Once the form submission is completed, the response will appear like this. The data will now be available in the next flow step as a variable to map. Finally, close the Trigger tab. We have successfully added a Bitform trigger to our flow. Step 3. Add an action. Now, I will add Drip as an action in the workflow. Click the plus icon again, then search and select Drip, Create or Update Contact as the action from the pop-up. Next, select a Drip connection from the drop-down menu. If you don't have any existing connection or want to create a new one, simply click the Add Connection button. Here, write a name for your connection. Then you will need to provide your Drip credentials in the key field to establish a connection with Drip. To get your credentials, visit the Drip settings page. Now copy the API token. Then go back to the Bitflows builder and paste it into the key field. Then click the Connect button. Your Drip node is now successfully connected to Bitflows. Now choose your account from the drop-down menu. Then you can also specify the subscriber status type from the available options. Next, you can add tags to your subscribers. Additionally, you can also remove tags from your subscribers if needed. Now, I will map the fields from the Bitform response to the Drip fields. After completing all the setup steps, close the Action tab. Step 4. Run a final test. Now, click on the Test Flow Once button to run a test. Then submit a form to trigger a response from Bitform. Once your form is successfully submitted, return to the Bitflows builder and click on the Logs button to view the details. In the Logs section, you can verify that your form submission response has been successfully captured and recorded in Drip node. Step 5. Verify the contact in Drip. Finally, go to your Drip dashboard and click on People. Then select Active. Here, you will see that a new contact has been successfully added to your Drip account. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.